Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing FL Studio onto a stable audio path. Select an SEO driver and pick 44. 1K or 48K HC. Lower rates reduce CPU stress. Once done, set your audio interface buffer to 128/256 samples for tracking or 512 plus for mixing. Make sure you close non-essential apps and set FL Studio process priority higher. This reduces OS interruptions and gives your audio thread consistent CPU time, which is the foundation for reliable, low-latency performance. Next, you focus on the middle layer, plugins and buffering. Turn off unnecessary real-time processing and only enable plugin delay compensation when islands of latency appear. Freeze or render CPU-hungry instruments to audio stems to eliminate plugin-induced latency. Increase disk prefetch in FL's audio settings and confirm allow threaded processing is on for multi-core CPUs. Once done, balance buffer size. Smaller for low-latency playback, larger for stress-free mixing. These steps reduce plugin and disk bottlenecks that commonly finish by verifying and troubleshooting. Test latency with a click track while recording to confirm round-trip delay, and tweak input monitoring delay compensation until performance matches your ears. Update your interface drivers and firmware. If the hardware driver fails, try SEO for all as a diagnostic step. If you still hear glitches, temporarily increase buffer to 512 and check for sample rate mismatches between FL and your interface. If nothing helps, reboot. Then reopen FL with only the project that shows issues to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.